Can you cope with family separation during U.S. immigration? Imagine being miles apart from your loved ones just because of immigration rules. It's a reality many families face when navigating the U.S. immigration system. Family separation can happen when parents or caregivers are detained or deported, leaving children or other relatives behind. This process can last 4 months or even years, creating a lot of emotional pain and uncertainty. For Black immigrants, this experience can be even harder. They often face higher rates of deportation compared to their population size. This means their families are more likely to be split up due to enforcement actions. The system's strict policies and backlogs in visa processing can keep families apart longer than they want. Family-based visas are meant to help families reunite. These visas allow U.S. citizens or lawful residents to bring close family members to the country. The process involves submitting a petition, which can take several months or years depending on the family relationship and country of origin. For example, a spouse or child of a U.S. citizen can apply for an immediate relative visa, which usually has no visa cap and is processed faster. But other family categories, like siblings or parents, often face long waiting times because of annual limits. Mixed-status families, where some members are citizens or legal residents and others are undocumented, face extra risks. Enforcement policies may target undocumented members, increasing the chance of separation. This can cause fear and stress within families. The emotional toll of family separation is huge. Parents may feel helpless not being able to care for their children, and children can experience anxiety or developmental challenges. The trauma can affect future generations, impacting cultural identity and family bonds. Despite these difficulties, families find ways to stay connected. Community organizations and legal advocates can help challenge detention or deportation orders. They also work to speed up reunification processes when possible. Legal support can sometimes prevent separation altogether or help families reunite faster. Maintaining cultural traditions and heritage can also help families cope. Sharing stories, practicing religious customs, and gathering with community members provide comfort and a sense of belonging. These practices reminded families of their roots and give hope during tough times. If you are facing separation, seeking legal advice from experienced immigration attorneys or nonprofit groups is essential. They can guide you through the visa process or help with deportation defenses. Connecting with local immigrant communities offers emotional support and practical help. Staying informed about policy changes can also make a difference in your family's timeline for reunification. Using technology to communicate with loved ones when possible can ease feelings of distance. Regular video calls, messages, and photos help maintain bonds and provide reassurance. In the end, coping with family separation during U.S. immigration involves emotional strength, community support, and understanding the legal options available. While the process can be long and challenging, many families find ways to stay resilient, preserve their cultural identity, and work toward being together again.